Hi guys, Patricia and I are being pretty ambitious today. We are going to make caramels and we are going to do it right here in the library break room. We do not have a stove here, so we are going to make microwave caramels. So I've got my recipe all posted up here, so my cheat sheet. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we took a half a cup or one stick of butter and cut it up, and I'm going to put it in the microwave so it can melt. And while that's melting, I'm going to take some butter and we are going to butter our pan. Now this pan is supposed to be 8 by 8. It's a little bit bigger than that, but we're going to just gonna go with it. It'll be all right. Okay, let's see how our butter is doing. It's pretty soft. It's almost there. Butter melted, and we are going to add our corn syrup. It calls for half a cup. Everything in this recipe is a half a cup. So there's a half a cup of corn syrup. Get over here where everybody can see me. And a half a cup of Eagle brand. I got the Eagle brand fat-free sweetened condensed milk. Just happened to be what I grabbed. I hope it works as well as the regular. So half a cup of that. A half a cup of sugar. And an eighth a teaspoon salt. And a half a cup of light brown sugar, and you want it to be, your half a cup to be packed. Let's get that all stirred together. I'm so messy. I just splattered it. Now the butter is supposed to be unsalted. The recipe says that if you use salted butter, it makes it splatter more in your microwave. And I don't know about you, I don't like cleaning the microwave. But that was Cairo light corn syrup is what I used. And a 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And it's just a generic vanilla. So get this all whisked together good. It doesn't want to incorporate very well. It says whisk very well, so that sweetened condensed milk doesn't want to go in there. looks better. Okay, so it says to put it in the microwave on high power for 6 to 7 minutes. Now, it's good. This microwave is a low voltage microwave, and so we may have to cook it longer. But we're going to start it off with 7 minutes. Okay, and I'll see you back in just a few minutes. Okay guys, time is up. Let's see what we have. This stuff is very hot. It is boiling. See, it is all bubbly. Now, we need to test it and make sure that it is at softball stage. Now, I know everyone doesn't have a candy thermometer. I'm going to put my candy thermometer in here. I'm about to burn myself. Okay. Now, if you don't have a candy thermometer, you can take a little spoonful in some cold water. Let that cool off. Now, let's see what it feels like. Oh, see, it is. It's soft. Ow, it's still hot. But it makes a little ball. I think that's good. I think that's very good. So now, let's see what my thermometer says. Oh yeah, it's right up there. Now one little boo-boo that I made, the vanilla is actually supposed to go in after it's boiled. But I don't think it's hurt it. Now, I'm going to set it in the microwave. No, I'm not going to set it in the microwave. I'm going to set it in the refrigerator. And let it cool about 20 minutes. And then we'll be back to see what it looks like. Okay, we'll be back. Hey everybody, we are back with our cooled caramel. I've been playing with it. I've been wrapping it, and all I've been doing, it's still pretty stiff, thin, but as it cools, it's going to thicken up. So you don't want to wait till it gets completely cooled, because then you won't be able to cut it and you won't be able to get it in your wax paper. We went ahead and we cut our wax paper and just roll it up in there. Give it a little twist. And you've got some yummy caramels. The Elizabeth, our children's librarian, she says they taste like Werther's. Now, you can't get much better compliment than that. So, it's not me, It's the recipe. So the recipe will be posted with the video. So it's so easy. You guys can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Y'all have a great day.